LRB Get Info presents What to Do When Your Partner Doesn't Value You. 1. Talk about it. Talk about your feelings with your partner and find out whether he or she has the same feelings as you do. Ask him or her if he or she loves you, if he or she wants to stay with you forever, etc. Talking about it will help you to learn how to deal with such problems in your life. 2. Do not lose yourself. You should not lose your self-esteem, pride, dignity and self-respect. You have to be firm on your decision that you are not going to stay back for any wrong reasons, and that's the time when you have to make the right decisions and learn how to trust yourself. 3. Do not stay back for any wrong reasons. You need to learn boosting up your self-esteem, so that you do not stay back for any wrong reasons. Instead, you should move ahead in life and make it more interesting. People who don't value you try to put you down so that they can feel better about themselves. They will try their best to bring out the bad things in you so that they can justify their existence in this world. But if you ignore them completely and move ahead, then they will feel insecure about themselves and their existence in this world. 4. Maintain distance with people who don't value you. It is important to maintain a distance from people who don't value you. If you have a close friend who doesn't value your time and effort, it would be better to keep a distance from him or her. You should also maintain a distance from people who are not supportive of your relationship. The reason behind this is that such people can easily become your enemies if they get to know about your intimate relationship with your partner. This is a perfect getaway on what to do when your partner doesn't value you. 5. Never justify their behaviors. If you're in a relationship, you should know that your partner's behavior is not your fault. You're not the reason they said or did something. It's not your fault if they make you feel insecure, or if they don't appreciate you enough to show it. You don't have to take the blame for their bad behavior, and it's okay to leave them if they cause you too much pain. But don't let this make you miserable. Try to find a way to move on from that relationship and get yourself out of it as soon as possible. You can also go for breakup counseling sessions to learn ways to move on from such toxic relationships. Ultimately, it comes down to love. When a couple comes together, both parties should ideally be in love with the other. If that's not the case, improvements to the marriage can only go so far. It may be time to ask yourself whether you can truly grow old with someone who doesn't appreciate all that you have to offer, someone who doesn't value your presence in their life. Perhaps this realization is what you both need to change things for the better and learn how to make your relationship stronger and alive. Thanks for watching.